I was muted. What a great start. Hello, everybody. Hope we're all having a wonderful day today. Just me today, but hey, if you're watching for the first time, welcome. Welcome to the Bad Website Club, where we're making websites, learning about technology in just a real easygoing, fun, collaborative way. We're not here to be perfect. We're not here to do all the things right on the first try. I think one big takeaway from yesterday's demonstration was, it is absolutely encouraged to launch early. And I think that's what we kind of want to be doing for the next time. So hope everybody's doing well. If you're joining for the first time, I want to give you a little bit of context into what we're doing. Yesterday, we had the incredible folks from Automatic join and show us a demonstration how to make websites with WordPress. And today, it is my job to take away what we learned yesterday and make a bad website. I'll try my best not to make it too bad, but no promises made. We're learning. It's cool. Here are a couple of links. First off, and folks, do tell me where you're tuning in from as well, please. I'd love to hear how folks are doing, how to go with trying out WordPress if you did. So here's the link to yesterday's recording. Please do feel free to check it out and come back. This is all recorded. This is on our YouTube channel, which you see. I don't have it linked. We'll get that linked. Another thing as well, if you're hanging out here in the chat, do please bear in mind that we're a community where you want to make sure everybody's happy. So please do abide by the code of conduct. We've got some set of rules there that we just make sure everybody abides by to make sure that we're all happy. And of course, feeling safe and comfortable and all of that good stuff in order to make good websites. Got folks tuning in from Denver, from Prince Edward Island. Oh, lovely. Season T says, I fiddled around with it for quite a while, tried to edit my old site, got stuck, made a new one instead. Good approach. I like that. Starting over, that's a great way to do it. So unless I missed something, let's hop in and check out WordPress. I'm going to just share my screen here. Hello. You'll see here that I've already made an account. The one step that I skipped was the logging in, but I made an account and now I'm being asked to choose a domain, which if you saw yesterday, you're not missing much. We're here at the same stage. And I want to take just a brief moment before we get started with me making a website. I would love to highlight, if I may, because it was so kindly sent to us, a website from Season T, which is unfair because it's such a good website. So check this out. So if you're not familiar with the concept of 100 days of code, it's an initiative to motivate to, keep coding for 100 days-ish. I think you can sort of like skip a day or something like that. And look at how lovely this is. It's so cool that you decided to do 100 days of code. There's no official projects for the 100 days code challenge. And it's got some questions. Are you here to learn new skills or practice existing ones? I want to learn some new skills. I'm going to click here. You'll see, are you new to coding? I'm relatively new. Let's click on yes. What do you want to make with code? This is lovely. I want to make websites. That's what we're here for. And look, that takes us straight to freecodecamp.org. This is just wonderful. Congrats, Season T. This is incredible and so much better than Jess would say. It would be disqualified for being too good a website. No, it's fantastic. Thank you so much for sharing. Folks, if you got a website you made as well, that's what we're here for. Cool. So, well, without further ado, let's hop in. Let me just resize my windows here a little bit so I can keep an eye on all of y'all lovely people making it. Oh, can we have the link, please? Of course. Of course. I hope that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and plop it here into the chat. Love that somebody shared one. Thank you so much. Yeah. Cool. Aman Murray says, hello, all. Hello, welcome. You're just in time for us to make some stuff with WordPress. So the first task we're going to have is to choose a domain. Totally cool. I can do that. Now let's start thinking about what kind of website we want to make today. And last week we made with Wix, we made a website for a potential bad website agency. I figured, it's me hanging out with all of you today. I'm going to work on my portfolio with WordPress. So let's call this and keep it simple, Ramon's portfolio, and see what options for domains we get. And remember, we get options for domains being addresses in the world, on the internet where people can connect to your website. These are usually ones that you pay every now and then for. But some you get for free. For example, with WordPress, you'll get ramonsportfolio.blog for free for 1 year. You also get it for free forever with WordPress. So if you do it with ramonsportfolio.wordpress.com, I noticed that there's a 2. So there's another Ramon's Portfolio. That's totally fine. Let's go with Ramon's Portfolio 2. It's probably not going to be as good anyway. So let's pick that. So I've clicked on the WordPress address. Choose your flavor of WordPress. I'm going to go with the free plan as we did yesterday. Cool. Start with free, gives us access to some stuff. And now we're just going to load our WordPress. I'm going to ask you a favor, please. If while I'm coding, you realize or you notice that this font size is a bit too small for your device, please just give me a shout. I will happily zoom in as needed. So let's go through this real quick. What are my goals? Well, write and publish, sell online. I'm going to promote myself or my business. Yeah. Cool. What's my website about? Okay, well, I'm a website maker. So web design and development, that sounds good. I will continue from here. All right, so now we've got a set of templates, that is pre-made designs that we can go for. I'm, totally cool to use a template, and I usually would. I kind of want to try making one from scratch like we did last week. So I'm going to click on skip for now. Wonderful. So I'm already 2 of the steps in. We got personalize my site. We got select a design. We chose the free domain here. It's saying like if you want to get a one without WordPress.com in it, you can upgrade your plan. Write my first blog post or edit my site design. I definitely want to edit my site design. Yeah. So I might click here. I definitely will click here. And folks, if you've got suggestions, if you've got things where you're saying, Ramon, stop, please, this design is too bad. Please throw in suggestions. This is meant to be interactive. Ask questions too. Yeah, we got the tour yesterday from the folks at Automatic. So I'll skip that tour for now and just sort of dive into what we're doing right away. So let's see what we've got. We've got the site title, we've got the site tagline, a sample page, and then my hello world. This is your first post. Fantastic. I'm going to take a moment to see what page used as a fallback template for all pages when a more specific template is not defined. Let's take a look at what templates we have. I think we've got just the main one, huh? Oh no, here we go. Let me skip all the way back. I'm probably going too far here. I'm going to skip to the dashboard, actually. Sorry to take us in circles. Here we go. This is where we were last time. So we've got some pages. I'm going to pick that main page and go. Yeah, I'm going to, there it is. There's my home page. Going to start right there. Your home page uses the index template. Fantastic. So we're going to load up our template for index page. We're back where we started. My bad. CSMT said, I think what Tanya did yesterday to do your own theme was to scroll down below all the themes and click design your own. It seems like clicking skip just assigned you a theme automatically instead. Thank you for that. That was my mistake, and that's what happens when you go a little bit in a hurry. That's totally okay. I'm just going to go from here, honestly, and just sort of Yeah, work on this one. Now, if I'm correctly assuming, I can click on this view button to, oh, see how my website looks in different layouts. For example, on a desktop, on a computer, we can see how it looks on a tablet or on a mobile phone. That's really handy. Then I can go on view site to sort of see it as it is in progress. Cool. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it's got a collection of blog posts. This is your first posts. I don't really want this to be a blog right now, so I might do some tweaking around here. But let's start with that site title. This would be the header. There it is. So we'll go ahead and edit. Ooh, cool. All right, we'll edit the header. We'll start with the site title, which will be Ramon's. Oh, interesting. It's capital letters by default. Portfolio. Let's call this Ramon's website portfolio. Just the worst websites you can find. You'll see. Just the bad websites you'll see. Fantastic. Cool. And here I can start editing. I can, ooh, okay. I can align some stuff. I can edit my styles. Fantastic. I might move this up just a touch. Fantastic. And here's my logo. We got to start with the logo. Fantastic. Season T loves that. I'm glad. So far, so good. So, oh, fantastic. We can browse free images like we did yesterday. Let's do that. Use the search above to find free photos. So if I'm going to do a website that's sort of like about my agency, I'm going to try with what happens if I look up website, see what I get. For a logo, that's pretty big. What about if I put on internet? Cool. I'm going to go with this one. This one's got like a nice, well, actually, oh, I'm torn. Yeah, I'll go with this one before I get too lost in picking out images. Now I wonder, so I'm going to insert that. So that's looking pretty nice, but kind of cropped, kind of small. Of course. Sylvia Vargas says, hello, friends. Good to see you. V Prevails is here to do some co-working. Hello, everybody. Oh, it's so good to see everybody here. So cool. That's our header so far. I would love to change. Now, Season T and I were talking a little bit about fonts, and I think this is what you were talking about before, right? So the free tier of WordPress is going to lock the fonts, which is fine. We'll find a way to move around that later on. What I want to do now is give this a background because I like this shade of color, but I'd love to add a little more color, if I may. Aha, here we go. This is a group. Fantastic. How could I change the colors here? Spacer. You're very kind, Matthew. Thank you. Here we go. Styles. Yes. Oh. To change all of your site's fonts. Oh, and I can try it out or upgrade my plan. That's totally cool. For now, I'm just going to try it out and mess around with it. Aha. So I can add my colors here. And right now I've got this palette of colors, which is quite nice, but I would like to, oh no. Yep, here it comes, folks. Time for me to make some questionable choices. Okay, cool. I do love me some gradients. So let's make this a color range that goes, I do like the shade of blue actually, but I'm gonna go with just as my usual shades of purple or pink, pardon me. Yeah, gonna make this a little bit lighter. Kind of dig that. Cool. So there's our custom gradient. which is great because now I wonder if I can apply that gradient here in my header. Gonna be a little bit stumbling all over the place. That's totally fine. We're learning how to do this. Here we go. What's this here? Styles. Fantastic. Yes. Customize the appearance of specific blocks on your site. Wonderful. Oh, wonderful. And I like that this is consistent. This really does not want me to make poor choices, but which is fine. But I am going to have to, I'm afraid, for the sake of science. So I want to color my whole group here one single color. I want to add a background to my header. Whoops. So I wonder if I can click here. Here we go. Colors, background. Here we go. Gradient. Pick my custom gradient. We are off to the poorly chosen races. Matthew's asking, what do you work for, Ramon? Do you make websites or program? I do a little bit of teaching, a little bit of developer advocacy, just sort of hanging out and having fun. Cool. Okay, so this is looking as it is. Oh, hold on. Can I? Oh, I can angle my gradient differently. Oh, this changes things. I'm going to make this 90 degrees so that it's sort of like going that way. Fantastic. Emmy says, hey, how's it going? Hating the website so far. Then that means I'm doing my job right. Cool. Let's change this text color. So have you all heard of color contrast? This is a factor of accessibility that makes it possible to, so that different folks, so folks looking at this website through different devices or with different access to being able to see or interact with websites can see it better. So what I'm thinking is we've got a dark color. We'll make the text lighter. Oh, that's magnificent. Oh, that's so bad. I love it. So I do want to make this bold because it is a little bit hard to read. And we do have to bear in mind that it's important that, folks can read that. As Emmy very well puts it, everyone should be able to experience a bad website. Listen, poor taste does need to be inclusive as well. So, here we go. Here we go. Fantastic. Let's make it extra bold. Nice and chunky. Love it. Love it. Love it. Is that even thicker? Nope. We'll keep it at extra bold. And here we can change the fonts. Fantastic. Oh, you know what? Wait, there's no Comic Sans here. Oh, that's probably a sensible idea. But what alternatives are there? Just going to try out a couple of fonts here. Ahmad put this really well. Thank you so much. Even normal eyes can't read text correctly if the contrast is not good enough between the text and the background. And that is absolutely right. I appreciate that. I appreciate you pointing that out as well. So let's see. The problem is I don't know many of these fonts, so I'm just kind of like poking. Fire Sans, that sounds cool. Yeah. Cabin. These are all such sensible fonts. No Comic Sans. WordPress doesn't want us to make bad websites. I mean, I think it was Jerry or Tanya yesterday who said, you are going to have to try to make a bad website. Challenge accepted. Aren't these all really sensible fonts? I'm not going to spend too much more time on it so we don't get too sidetracked here. Texturina. Okay, it's got a bit of like a tapestry vibe going for it. We'll stick with that for now. Emmy says, I love Comic Sans, makes everything feel so silly and fun. I agree. Nope. I already said I'm not going to spend too much time on that. So we do, however, oh, interesting. Oh, look at that. I can change the casing. Neat. V Prevail says, but bad websites look so good. Look, they definitely are a conversation starter. Cool. So we've made my heading. Now we're gonna head on down to do the rest of it. So hold up. I'm just gonna come over here to my other tab where I've got the live website, and I wonder if okay, so I just refreshed it. But you know what? I haven't saved yet. Are you ready to save? You know what? I am ready to save. Cool. So now my site is updated. We learned yesterday how important it is just to like go for it. So I just gave that a refresh, but it doesn't seem to have brought in my my color. So I'm gonna I think if I do a hard refresh, which on macOS is Shift, Command, and R. So it's not showing me my background color. Oh, actually, not the font either. I know why. Because I'm changing this in the free version. That's it. Because I suspect, if you remember, folks, right? The styles plugin, I'm trying it out, but of course it's not public. It's not available in the free tier, if I'm not mistaken. But no matter, we'll keep going from here. I'm gonna focus a little bit more in that case on more backgrounds, honestly. So first of all, we've got our hello world, which is quite nice, very programmery. But if this is my portfolio, right? And CSMT confirms, yep, that's what happens to me too. There we go. Yeah, this is my, can I edit this? I think this is my font, isn't it? Let me bring in from the other side, the editor, this one, the list view. So this is the post title. So this is the posts, which isn't quite what we want. I don't want to show posts, blog posts on my site. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that, which I believe is done by hitting the delete key or the command delete key or right click. Nope. Duplicate, move to remove query loop. There we go. Cool. So now I've got my simplified website. Totally cool. That's how it's kind of looking right now. I might actually, for the sake of like keeping it consistent with both my deployed website and this one, I might actually restore stuff to the way it was, which I don't remember what it was anymore. I'll find it. We'll be fine. It was one of these default. There we go. Phew. So we'll do that. We'll restore my color, my background. Yeah. Blocks, colors. There we go. There we go. Solid background. We'll keep the theme color and the theme text primary color. Fabulous. Now we're kind of back at that stage. So cool. We've got just the bad websites. We'll see what this is. This is navigation. Cool. For my list of pages. So of course we've got a sample page there, which is fine. Let's go ahead and add sort of the content here, the sort of the main content of my portfolio here in the spacer. So below that, let's add something new here. So I kind of want to add a header. No, I've already done a header. Oh, I do like this header though. Oh, I might actually replace my header with this one. Site logo with headline below. Ooh, that's very cool. Yep, I dig it. Let's go with that. So that means that I will come back here. I will remove this one, remove this. Eat dessert first. is for sharing my favorites with you. And Cesium T says there's a whole pattern category called portfolio, by the way. Good to know. Do you have a link to that we can check out, please? In the meantime, so, okay. Let's change this a little bit, make it a little bit more snazzy. How about my name is Ramon, and I make bad websites. Cool. Oh, Jane's asking, how do I access these types of menus from inside an established website? I can't access from the appearance menu on the dashboard, and I did the website in HTML. That's a good question. When I try converting to block, most is still in HTML. Could it be that you need to switch from visual editor here in the dotted menu to code editor? Does it look like this? Because if so, there's like 2 editors here, and so you want to go for visual editor instead. But CSMT says, it was just inside that patterns list that pops up when you click on the plus icon, I think. Cool. That was my bad. Let's find it, because that sounds fantastic. Oh, there it is. CV portfolio. Hey. Whoa. Oh, this. Oh, but this looks so good. I need to make it look bad. Well, let's let's go with that. This does look cool. I wonder. Whoops, I accidentally clicked on one. I got excited. I like this one. This one, nice and big. And so this header here, I will remove after all. Remove header. And I'm going to go with that. Oh, wow. Yep, cool. We'll remove this one as well. Oh, I think I removed the wrong one, actually. Yeah, this is the one that I wanted. I'll remove the second one. Cool. Let's take a step back and see what we got here. So we've got so now we need to, we've got plenty of options here. We've got a photo. Let's start with a photo. Let's replace this. I've clicked on this photo. I'm going to click on replace. I'm going to select an image from the media library. And we'll do the same thing we did before. We'll add a new, whoopsie daisy. All images. How do I, pixels free images. Yeah, let's find a, now what would be a good way to denote a bad, oh, I know, construction. Cartoon? Construction sign. Yes. There we go. Going for a little bit of that 90s website vibe. Nice. Looks like we got an attribution there. That's fantastic. Cool. If you're unfamiliar, websites, images are free, but it's good to give attribution credit to where it's due. And that, again, looking at that color contrast thing we were talking about earlier. Oh, look. Whoa. Well, that won't do. I would like this to be visible. How could I do that? Highlight. Cool. Oh, look at that. Nice. The link needs, oh, I'm sorry, Jane. I didn't see your follow-up there. Most is still in HTML. Did you get the editor open? But the problem is that it won't turn your code into blocks. Thank you so much for highlighting that. I missed it. Cool. It's just the HTML in a box under the header. There's nowhere to change to image view. So kind of like this. Hold on. So you've got it in the visual editor, but when you switch to the code editor, it looks like this. Because what worked for me was to switch it back here, but I take it that's something else that you're working on. My name is Ramon, and I make bad websites. Look at how bad it is. Let's call this Ramon Wheel. Yeah, I'll just go with my name with an exclamation mark. Oh, it doesn't say visual or code on the side. I'm on the front page of my website. So you don't see any of these WordPress utilities, huh? Let's take a step back. If you don't mind joining me, folks, let's see if we can get to the same stage where Jane. Oh, okay. So we'll save that. Let's go back to templates, design. I need to save my website, of course, save my work. Very important. And we'll go back to the dashboard. Where's my dashboard? There's my dashboard. Cool. So you should see your dashboard and then go to your pages and go to your home page or whichever page you're working on. And that should get you to the part where you can work on your website like this. I'm going to edit my index page and we're back here. Oh, do we want to grab another one of those lorem ipsums we had last week? Let me grab one of those. If you recall, lorem ipsum is some text that you can just grab a paragraph of and just sort of put in there to have some sample text, really. So Jane says, nope, just the block selector. It says page/block on the right. Just the block selector. It says page/block on the right. So you mean here in the menu, page.block on the right. So when you navigated to the template as I did, Jane says, I honestly love HTML, so it's fine. I'm really sorry that I couldn't help you. I'm navigating this myself. CZMT says, I'm guessing it brought your site as one big custom HTML brought. Oh, so you imported it. See all projects. And then below this, I can list my projects. So let's do that. Now that I've kind of added my questionable header or cover, I should say, let's add, I'm going to go back to those templates. Look at all this cool stuff there is. Where was that? Oh, I'm going to need testimonials soon. Hint, hint. I'm kidding. Let's see. Oh, I like this. Project 1 and Project 2. Let's plop that in there. Oops. Here we go. So 2023. And you know what? I'm going to link. Oh, fantastic. I'm going to link to our other websites. So the first one is Bad Website Club main site. Just you'll find everything you need to know about our schedule and seasons here. And then here under View Project, which is a link, and I'll link that to our existing Bad Website Club site. That's badwebsite.club. This one's written in pure HTML, which we will get to later. Don't worry if you haven't done an HTML yet. Cool. Let's put that in as a link. Now, I wonder, can I change the design of this button? It's nice to have a link, but I wonder if I can make this like a button or something. I wonder. Justify inline. Inline image, inline code. What? Oh, I see. It looks like code now. Oh, I can make this an image. Oh no. There's my logo. Oh no. Oh, this is really bad. I love it. Width. I wonder if there's a way that I could add alt text as well. CSMT, says there's a type of block called button. Oh, fantastic. Thank you. I remember this. Type / to choose a block. Let's do that. Oh, now we have choices. Okay. Ooh, buttons. Oh, fantastic. Oh, what kinds of buttons do we have here? Whoops. What have I done? Let's bring that up. Oh, fantastic. Copy styles, paint style, edit as HTML. Fancy. Let's style that button a little bit. WordPress don't want their image tarnished by association with Comic Sans. That's fair, honestly. I need hello. Well, look what I found. Oh, what do we like? I kind of like ruby wine. Charcoal's cool too. But ooh. Okay. Ooh, I like this. I'm going with that. Does that roll out live as well? Let's find out. Let me just refresh here. Well, would you look at that? Already making huge progress. Right, it's not going to update because the styles is a trial plugin. Totally cool. I mean, it's so great that I can already make a website without. Oh, I need to change that style back, don't I? Hold up. Otherwise, I'm going to confuse myself. Let's go with the default one. Excellent. Cool. So where were we? I wanted to link this button. I think I'm going to have some choices here. To have it link somewhere. Yes. Our site. This into a link that goes to add website spell.club. There we go. So now this links to our website. Now we want to replace this image as well. I have such a bad idea. Oh, I have such a terrible idea. I'm going to take a screenshot of this. I'm going to do that with my Mac. I'm just going to do a little screenshot here. There we go. You can't see this, friends, but I'm just saving that screenshot, and now I'm going to upload it. Because, I want to show off my my choices. Oh, my goodness, that looks so bad. I love it. So that looks nice. I kind of think I want to align this a little bit lower. Can I drag and drop this, or do I need to? Here we go. Align center, and I need to align that downwards. Hello? What's this? Whoa! This feels like cheating. Without losing your original image. Neat. But not quite what I wanted to do. I want to align this image further down. Oh, nope. Definitely. Oh, no. Definitely want to move this website further down. Yes. Here we go. Middle. Fantastic. Okay, so if I click here and then I click here under layout, I see. Oh, fantastic. So I can align it at the top or at the bottom or in the middle. Great. Actually, I might just call this Bad Website Club. Cool. On to my other project. Oh, wait, I worked on this in 2023. Fantastic. So I'm going to work on this one here, also in 2023. I can't remember where the URL is for that. For my website from last week that we worked on with Jess. I'm gonna link to that as well. I think it makes sense. Give me 1 second, folks, please. Just to make sure I get that URL for our website. So hold on just a second, everybody. I should have done this before starting. Update now. Edit site. Here we go. Just going to grab that URL real quick. View site. There we go. So what was this called? The Bad Website Agency, of course. Website Agency. Just feel bad. So let's take a screenshot of that. I'll do the same thing I did before with the Bad Website Club website. There we go. Just need to save that and upload it, and then we're good to go. So replace this image, upload an image. There we go. So I will align this in the middle like I did before. And let's make this a button like we did last time. Actually, I'm going to make it a different kind of thing. Can I make this? Can I remove this paragraph? Fantastic. And can I add a block here? So Bad Website Agency. Scroll down under the group, underneath the Bad Website Agency, and we're going to add something here. Bad Website Inception. Yeah, you can put it that way. Contact, editorial, forms, link in bio. Ooh, link in bio. Well, one thing at a time. I need buttons, media, design. Here we go. Buttons. Fantastic. Change a block's type by pressing the block icon in the toolbar. Ah, neat. Ooh, I like that. And I'm going to align this in the middle. I'm going to do the same thing as before. To make this visit our site. Like this link. There we go. Cool. So I've made some more bad choices here, but I think that's coming along nicely. So I've showed off a couple of my projects. Now I'm just going to add a couple more things, just some things that bring me joy. How about a gallery? Ooh, we've got some choices here for a gradient gallery. I do like gradients. Kind of like this one too. Maybe I'll add some editorial forms, images, link in bio, newsletter, photography. Do you know what I think? I think I need a what is this coming soon? Nope. Looks nice. Cool. Call to action. Here we go. So call to action is going to be, learn more about us. These are all so sensible. Want to work with me? Send me an email. Yeah, I think, oops, what happened? I think I clicked outside. My bad. That's okay. We are doing what we got to do. Call to action. I like the search. Super handy. Oh, rainbow color. Yes. Oh, this is great. Oh, I like this. What can I do? Oh, nice. Outline button. Let's see how that looks. Oh, interesting. It's still a filled button. So I wonder what I can tweak in here. Let's see. That's our group, paragraph, and some buttons. Nice. Let's rename this a little bit. How about, ready? Let's make something together. Please hire me. Oop. I promise my next website will be better than this. Cool. And then we'll be like, get in touch. How about, oh yeah. Please. And I know, I got it. Can I make this an image? Can I make this an image button? Yes, I can, can't I? I think. Inline image, yes. Oh, I have such a image button. Yes, image button. You called it. So how do I free photos? The eyes. Perfect. Actually, my dog looks like that. Perfect. Insert. Insert. Did I do it right? Whoops, I put it in twice. Oh, that is horrific. I mean, not the puppy. The puppy is adorable. The it's so cute. Whoa, no, don't want to do that. Oh, that is so cute. There we go. See, I told you I'd make something bad out of this. Cool. So I'm showing some. Let me take a step back real quick. We've got. My name is Ramon. I make bad websites. Got some lorem ipsum. You got to have some lorem ipsum. That's some bad website. Got some of my portfolio. Bad website agency. I promise my. Please hire me, pretty please. Emmy's asking if I can set the puppy as a background of the button. I suspect I might be able to with the styles, which might be a. Whoopsie, not that. Blocks button. I'm curious. Let's find out. Style variations, typography, colors. Can I have a background image? No, gradient. Layout. Oh, okay. So you can like tweak the styles and all that. That's good to know. Image. I don't know if I can. Maybe I don't know how to do it. It's quite likely. But I'm sure there might be a WordPress plugin. Remember yesterday we talked about plugins for WordPress? I'm sure that might be possible. But I can make it bigger. But yeah, not like that. Let's make it 600. Ooh. There we go. Nice. See, now with a button this size, you're definitely bound to click on it, right? That's what we call strategic design. I don't even know if that's true. What else we got? Create template. Ooh. Wait. Oh, interesting. So you can create a template out of this button, I suspect. Fantastic. So I think what's missing for now is to edit my footer. So we'll put some social media. I got to put some social media in there. Where is my footers? Footer with social links. My goodness, this is all so nice looking. I almost feel bad for, I mean, I feel bad for trying to make something bad out of this because this is all so nice. What if I try to make that myself? Toggle blog inserter. Yeah, what if I... Ooh. Yeah, see? Here we go. Let's go with social. Oh, fantastic. Let's go. click see, I just clicked on this here to make some social. And what should I do? What should I add? Let's add my Twitch. Oh, and YouTube. We got to add the YouTube. No. Forget the Twitch. Forget the Twitch. How do I remove the Twitch? Sorry, Twitch. Gotta go. Oh, here we go. Nope. Remove Twitch. There we go. Now, let's add the YouTube channel. There we go. Fantastic. Let's make that. I'll just grab that real quick. That is youtube.com/@badwebsite. If I can spell club. I hope that's the right one. Yep. It's the right one. Now that's cool. Now we can put that. Oh, you know what? I have a devious idea. I want to put it in the center. What if I copy this and I just tell people like, hey, come, like I'm just going to sprinkle it in here and there. So like here at the top. Well, I did mean at the top. But, oh, hold on. Maybe. Yeah. Maybe the editor will let me do that easily. Oh, I do like that. Just sort of a like hint. Oh no, this is really bad what I'm doing. Put it at the top. Wait, for this one, I want to try something different. Oh, see? Okay. The background's not quite working as well as I would like it to here. So let's try it that oh. Okay, so this is the code of our block here. I'm just gonna go back to whoop, there we go. I'm not gonna play too much with writing HTML just yet. Big YouTube button. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, that's actually fantastic. Oh, CSMT says if you want that exact block to appear multiple places, you could turn it into a reusable block. There it is. See? Let's call this check out YouTube. Neat. Oh, I like that. Thank you. So you're saying I can just no. Let's copy that. Oh, nice. There we go. Oh, this is extremely handy. Thank you. I wonder if I could put this into one of the columns. Let's add a third column with just YouTube. Oh, that's such a bad idea. I love it. Column. Just a single column. Not quite what I want to do. Just go back to my tree here real quick. So we got a set of columns and 3 columns. This one's empty. We'll put the YouTube one inside this column. Now, of course, given that my size is a little bit restricted, it's not going to be, it's going to look like it's on top of each other, but that's okay. Let me finish bringing out my YouTube button everywhere. Check out YouTube. And in our footer, we'll do the same. Social icons. Can I double click on that to bring it into view? Nope, that's cool. Here we go. So we'll just delete this here. Fantastic. It's proudly powered by WordPress. Fantastic. So let's save that real quick. Now I realize I've been messing around for the better part of an hour, so I apologize if oh, hold on. Change theme. Of course. Other themes. Oh, you know what? You were right. You were right, CSMT. It put me in the zoologist theme. Interesting. Good to know. Let me refresh that real quick. Look at that. But if there's something else that we would like to explore, please take me up on it. I promise my next website will be better than this. Pretty. Wait, does this button? I didn't even make it go anywhere. Whoops. Cool. So we've got the YouTube links there. Fantastic. Pardon me. I really like how the layout. I really like this layout of like one side then the other. And then of course, if we want to test this on mobile, we could take a look at that here. View mobile. Oh, fantastic. Yeah. Great. Oh, interesting. What's this? Oh, those are my columns, of course. Oh, I can set. Interesting. Okay. I can make them wider than the others. That's my next one. I will be better than this. Please hire me. I would hire me. But I'm biased. I think one more thing I want to put is a copyright year. Yeah, just to make sure that, people know that this is my website. So is there a copy? Oh, interesting. How about date? Post date, Calendly. Calendly, interesting. I wonder if there's a way to put in the current date. Today? No. No matter. This will be a problem for me next year. Until until then, I'll put some text here. How do I add a little thing here in my group? Let's add, oops. Header. No, not a header, right? No, I don't want a header. I just want some text. Have heading. That's what I want. Yeah, let's make it nice and big. Good to see you, Cesium T. Thanks for everything as always. Copyright. Ramon 2023. I put that copyright symbol, I wonder. No matter. We will save that. So those are the changes that have been saved. Let's take a look a little bit more at our other options. Yeah. See what else we've got. That's our index. We've got our block. We can change some colors. Well, I should have. Oh, no. But is that the styles? I wonder. Let's find out. Let's bring back my my questionable choices. Default color. I want a gradient. You better believe I want a gradient. Let's bring the gradient back. Yeah. Make it lighter. Cool. So it looks like we might be able to actually have some colors. Let's give that a try. Oh, for the heading block. Interesting. Okay, let me save and see what happens. Go back here. Okay, cool. Well, kind of embarrassing that I only realized that as we're nearing our time together, the end of our time together, but no matter, we'll do some stuff here. Oh no, this is great. Oh no, this is really good. We'll make this. Oh goodness. Okay, well, choices are being made here, folks. That actually looks kind of nice. Is my own bad website taste taking over me? What's a radial gradient? Oh, neat. Yeah, let's keep that. Interesting. Oh, interesting. Interesting. So that's the cover. Oh, hey, check this out. How helpful is that? This color combination might be hard for other people to read. Try using a bright. Thank you, WordPress. I really appreciate it when you get color combinations. So apparently that's better on the eyes. Interesting. I would have thought the light was better. Huh. Let's try it out. I just want to tentatively see. So I've saved my. I don't know, folks. I kind of feel that this looks. I mean, don't get me wrong, it looks bad, but The color contrast looks okay. Oh no. Now I've been given the keys to the kingdom. Oh no, no, no. So, well, that's my checkout YouTube. I can give it, oh, interesting. Huh. Check out YouTube Advanced. Styles. So it looks like some of these can have styles applied on them. Stack on mobile. Ooh, neat. This is where all of that advanced CSS and HTML stuff comes in. Background. Let's make it pink. Okay, so I can actually add a background for each. Okay, no, this is definitely hard to read. Even I know that. How do I text? White. Fantastic. This button. Look at all these options. Here it is. Oh no. Why didn't I discover this sooner? Oh, that looks much better. I mean, it still looks bad, but you know what I mean, folks. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. I can add a gradient to my puppy button. Hold on. No, no, no. Let's add the gradient. Who am I to argue? Whoops. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry. Oh, this is too much fun. It's a choice. Let's save that and see how it looks. Think I refreshed that? Cool. These are some these are some choices being made here. Cool. I think with that, I will put this into the world if y'all want to check it out and be inspired to do something better than I did. But this was great fun. Folks, we'll keep doing this next week as well. Stay tuned. Got some stuff to announce beforehand, but we'll make sure that y'all know about what's coming next. And thank you so much for sticking around today. As always, if you want to send us your bad websites, please feel free to. We're all here for you and we're all learning together. So thanks a lot for hanging out today. And it was a total joy. Remember to check out the coupon. It's in the YouTube description. Hold up. Let me get that. Hold up. In case you missed it yesterday. Very kindly provided to us by, let me take my screen away. Very kindly provided to us by the folks at WordPress.com. If you want to try out, let's say that's BWC Get Started 23 for a 20% off coupon for WordPress. Hey, folks, this was really, really fun. Thank you so much, and wish you all a great rest of your week. Bye now.